Menteri Luar Negeri Republik Indonesia Sugiono menerima kunjungan diplomatik Menteri Luar Negeri Singapura Vivian Balakrishnan di kantor Kementerian Luar Negeri Jakarta Selasa pagi untuk membahas potensi kerjasama di sejumlah sektor. Pertemuan yang berlangsung selama 2 jam ini membahas soal isu strategis, diantaranya sektor ekonomi, ketahanan pangan, hingga transisi energi berkelanjutan yang dijalankan Indonesia dan Singapura. Sugiono menyoroti Indonesia dan Singapura memiliki kemitraan cukup kuat dan strategis yang berlangsung selama 6 dekade terakhir. Adapun Indonesia dan Singapura membahas persiapan Leaders Retreat serta pengembangan proyek listrik lintas batas dan kawasan industri berkelanjutan.
We have this very deep discussion. There's a lot of ground that we covered actually, but first of all I would like to express our great pleasure welcome you in Jakarta for this bilateral meeting, and next year we will commemorate our 60 years of diplomatic relations between Indonesia and Singapore. And this past 6 decades, I think Indonesia and Singapore has built a very strong partnership defined by strategic trust, mutual benefit, and shared purpose. And I like the abbreviation as mentioned to you, the Rising 60, or Republic Indonesia Singapore 60, is not just a diplomatic anniversary, it's an opportunity to re-energize our partnership for the decades ahead and to chart a renewed strategic direction for our two nations.
Senada dengan Sugiono, Menteri Luar Negeri Singapura Vivian Balakrishnan mengungkapkan diplomatik Indonesia-Singapura berjalan baik, sekaligus saling mendukung mengenai dinamisnya situasi global.
Meeting just now to review our bilateral cooperation, and I'm here to tell you that our relations are in an excellent state. And Singapore and Indonesia have stood by each other in both good times and tough times. Whether it was COVID, and now with the crisis in the Middle East, we have stood by each other, we've supported each other, and we will get through this crisis together. We reviewed the expanded framework agreement, which came into force in March 2024, and this covers our collaboration in defense, in airspace management, and in law enforcement. And the fact that we were able to settle these long-standing issues constructively and implement these agreements well is a very good sign of the strength of our bilateral relations. Our economies also remain mutually reliant on each other. Singapore and Indonesia are amongst each other's biggest trading partners, and Singapore has been Indonesia's largest foreign investor for more than a decade. And this reflects Singapore's confidence and belief in the long-term economic strength of Indonesia. So it's not just a matter of words, follow the money, and the fact that we are voting with our investments as an affirmation of Indonesia's potential. We have bilateral projects like the Nongsa Digital Park in Batam, the Kendal Industrial Park in Central Java. These projects have continued to flourish, and we are also seeing good prospects for further growth, especially in the digital and green economy.
Diharapkan dengan pertemuan ini dapat terus memperkuat berbagai aspek strategis dengan hubungan diplomatik kuat ini, sekaligus meningkatkan kesepakatan kerjasama antar kedua negara. Dari Jakarta, Max Munte, Arsya, Simpo TV melaporkan.